Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Green color, red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. O and E1. Kids, again use green color and draw 2. T W2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. Kids, now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F O U R 4. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids, now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S I X 6. The numbers of 6. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 7. S E V E and 7. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. And INE 9. Kids, again use black color and draw 10. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. Kids, now draw 12. Kids, now draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use yellow ochre color. Kids, now draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids, now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids, now draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use red color. Kids, now draw 20. The numbers of 20 and again use red color. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.